Hey, this is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com, and I'm going to make a short video about co-signing. What happens if the person that you co-sign for, stops paying? And this is going to be a straight to the point video. I know I like to ramble, but I'm going to make this one short and sweet because when you co-sign for somebody, you need to understand this. If you and no one co-signs for someone just to co-sign for them. There's always, like, you want to do a favor for somebody. There's an emotional attachment to it. You want to help somebody. We all want to help somebody. We all want to help them get that. We want to feel good for helping that person be able to get what they wanted. But you got to be careful when you're making emotional decisions because it could be the wrong decision on a financial basis. And so, what happens if you co-sign, let's just say for an automobile, because that's usually the ones that we get, but it works for student loans. If you co-sign, or for a credit card or uh, apartment, it could be any type of financial instrument or lease or a contract. If they stop paying, you are in either the first position or the second position on that contract, and they are going to come after you as if you were the only one that owed the money. We've seen in a lot of cases where, especially with car uh, sales, where people did not understand. They thought they were co-signing, but they didn't know that they were actually the first uh, person on the contract. And when you sign and you're the first person on the lease, you're actually really the one that's getting the loan, on the contract for the loan. uh, you're really like the person that's getting it, and you're allowing this other individual to be able to sign. So you're really using 100% of your credit. But there are also times where you may be legitimately the co-signer, where they're just saying this individual is the first name on the contract, and then you're the co-signer. We're using your credit to enhance and make this deal be able to go through. But with all of that being said and done, the thing that you need to, uh, I don't even want to say watch out for, because I'm telling you, don't co-sign for anybody. I'm telling you straight up, don't co-sign for anybody. I don't care how they try to make you feel. I don't care if they are trying to put a sob story on you. I don't care if you uh, feel like you're letting them down. Don't let that put you into a bad situation, because I've seen it time and time again where you do the favor, or people have done the favor and co-signed for people, and then when that loan went bad and they came after them, the co-signer for the money, the individual that they helped out was nowhere to be found, or they were like, I don't have it, or this or that. They threw up their hands and didn't do anything to help the person that had helped them. uh, Also, just if you just think about it with co-signing, I think one of the problems that happens with people when they co-sign, other than the emotional side, is that they think that they're just like, this is just a moment in time right now. They're not looking at, I'm co-signing for an individual to make payments for 3, 4, 5 years. So you're actually gambling on that nothing with this individual that needs you to co-sign because they potentially already have bad credit or no credit, that nothing is going to happen with them over that period of time. Not to say that something might happen to, that you might get someone that will fulfill with a cosign, but most people do not fulfill the obligation because they either don't manage their money right, or they already have bad credit and eventually they ended up going bad on this debt. So yes, if you co-sign for someone, you are going to be they're going to come after you as if you're the only one on the debt. Um, what I've always told people to do is yes, obviously you want to try to get in touch with the person that you co-sign for. If they don't have the money, you're going to potentially have to end up into a settlement phase with this, and hopefully that individual will help you through that process, because it will drag down your credit, it will hurt you, and you would not have benefited from either. If it was a vehicle, you didn't even have a vehicle. If it was an apartment, you didn't live there, but you're suffering the same effects of having that negative information placed on your credit reports, and the debt placed against you, and potentially a court action taking you to court to sue you. So be very careful. Don't do it. This is just my video saying straight up, don't co-sign for anyone, because this could potentially happen to you if you co-sign. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to my channel, thecreditrepairshop.com. Click the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell also so you can get notified of new videos. I really appreciate everyone that watches them. If you need help with your credit, visit our website, thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need your credit reports and scores, everything starts there. Visit the number 3 scores.com, and there's other resource links below this video. Thank you until next time.